Good morning. Guys, my husband went out, so I'm going to prank him with something. Let me quickly show you what I want to use. So guys, I'm going to fix these eyelashes. He doesn't like me fixing eyelashes. I'm just fixing because I like it. Yes, you can. Good job, good job, good job. So guys, I'm going to fix this one, and it's been a long time since I fixed nails, and even if I fix nails, I doesn't fix this long one. So I'm going to fix this one. Let me get dressed and see you guys later before he comes back. So guys, how do I look? Look at the nails. So my baby is crying, so guys, is here.
Mommy, it's grandma.
No, it's not grandma.
It's Gloria. It's Gloria.
Hi, baby. Welcome.
What did I want to start? What do you put for? This is what?
Eyelashes.
Oh, I'm not going to tell me. I will pass. Where you for bad this one? I've been na home bed with this one.
As I've been doing eyelashes.
Where you dey go wear dress like this, carry big eyelashes with big panties and put for eye?
I want just throw.
You want to?
With you.
This the more size you.
Now what you want throw now?
Me and grandma, I know theirs.
You there. Now we dey throw together.
Daddy,
Huh?
what did you see?
Is here?
Look at
Hi.
mommy. How did you feel? Who shall advise you for your mama?
I commit crime every thief.
You will pass to commit crime. You don't say they look you.
So they look me.
Well, what is this?
Bonnie, rate me. Rate me.
Wait.
Rate me. How many you rate me?
From how many star the percentage now you get?
Come and rate me. Come and rate me. Thank you. Yeah, rate me. Rate me. Rate me. Yeah, rate me.
Okay, I'll rate you 99.
99.
Now one I make come 800.
Why? Because of this one.
The one so now be the highlight. The high go ho ho.
Whoa, it's cute.